there, Laura here. Today we are doing look 9 of our 12 days of Christmas, and today I'm going to do a pink and white look, and this is inspired by my daughter's love of white Christmas trees, and whenever I think of white Christmas trees I think of pink decorations on it, so that's what inspired this look today. So I'm going to start off with some concealer, and I'm just using my LA Girl Pro Conceal. I'm going to put some of that on my eyes. I had actually started this look, but I got some of it done and then realised that I didn't have my microphone on, and that my microphone was buried under a whole lot of stuff, so I had it plugged in so you wouldn't have been able to hear me, so I just took it all off and starting again. And on top of that I'm going to put some of my NYX pigment primer. I'm going to start off with a transition shade, and I'm going to go into my Nudes 4 palette to start off with, and I'm going to start off with Peach Baby, which I know isn't pink or white. Because my challenge for this is going to be with my hooded eyes. I want to put some frosty white up on my brow bone, but I don't want my hood to look enormous either, so my challenge is going to be making that work. And my brushes are all going to look dirty because, as I said, I've just done this look. I didn't get it finished, but I did a lot of it and then realised that my microphone was not on me. So at least I know how to start the look anyway, because I've already done it once. I don't know what I'm doing when I go to finish the look, but I know how I'm starting it. It's a nice pinky brown, that one, for adding some pinks in later. And I want to go in with a matte white, so I'm going to use my BY's Fantasy palette and use the matte white out of there. And I'm going to use that to transition that Peach Baby colour up into the white. And I'm going to go into some pinks next. This is another look that's using multiple palettes, but again, you just use whatever you have if you want to recreate something like this look, because the idea is you don't have to have the same ones as I do. So I'm going to get, I can't use that one anymore because it's too dirty. I'm going to get another flat brush. This is a smoky eye one. I'm going to go into this pink colour here. And then I'm going to go into my GT OMFG palette. That was my Pop Princess palette, in case I didn't tell you, it's a Chi one as well. And this one, I'm going to go into this pink here. And then I'm going to go into my TT OMFG 2 palette, and I'm going to go into this colour here. That's what it's looking like so far. And I'm going to go into my Rimmel Spice palette, and I'm going into this white here. So this is a satin white. It's got a bit of a sheen to it, as you'll see when I stick it on the brow bone. And I'm going to get the brush that I used the peach colour with just to help transition that, so there isn't a harsh line. So that's about where I got up to last time, so now I don't know what I'm doing. So let me figure it out. So I've got some pink eyeliner here. This is an Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil in Life in Pink. Looks like this. I have never used this before because I just bought it last week. So I'm going to do some pink eyeliner. That exactly matches my eyeshadow. And I'm also going to use my Essence one in Very Fantastic, which is a very dark berry colour. So I'm going to do a little wing with this. I feel like that took forever to do. I had a bit of trouble with that one. I'm going to go in with my NYX liquid white eyeliner. Looks like this. And I'm just going to go under that wing. And I'm going to get my NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk, and I'm going to do my tight line. I'm going to grab my angle brush, and I'm going to go into my Berries 2 BYS palette, and I'm going into this colour here. And I'm going to do the outside of my wing that I drew with the purple there. So now I'm going to go into my Rimmel blackest Exaggerate eyeliner, and I'm just going to tight line. So now I'm going to go into my Essence Metal Shock eyeshadow, and this is in the colour Stars and Stories. So it's a glittery, metally pink colour, and I'm just going to put that on a little brush. And I just want a thin kind of coating to just give it a bit of sparkle there. And I have got, where is it? Oh, I've got some e.l.f. eyeliner here, and it is called Stardust Glitter Eyeliner in Pink Opal. And I want to put that on the inner corner. bit of sparkle to my look. Right, seems very involved, this look. I want a pale pink for under here, since there's a little bit of pink that's come down from up there, so I want something in that kind of shade, but a pale one. Dirty nose today. I might start off with this one, the Pop Princess Chi palette, which we used as the first pink. Like there's not a lot of white in this look as yet. So I'm going to go into that Rimmel Spice palette again and get that frosty white and put that in the very inner corner. Maybe I'll put some of it here as well. So I'm just going to put my mascara on. So I'm using my L'Oreal Paradise Ecstatic mascara and my BYS Super Slim. I've got my mascara on and now I'm ready to embellish my eyes a little bit. So I'm going to use some of these little jewels here. If I can get them off. And I'm going to stick them where am I going to stick them? So now I'm ready to do my lipstick and my highlighter. So I'm just going to use my L'Oreal Paris lip liner in Pink Fever, which looks like this. And I used my Juicy Pink Maybelline Colour Sensational lipstick. And I'm going to do some of my Rimmel Lip Art in Pearlescent. And I'm going to go into my Revolution blush palette in Golden Sugar. And I'm going to use this white one here. Put some of that on the tops of my cheeks to just enhance a bit of white, because I feel like my look turned out very pink. There wasn't as much white in it. That is very, very blingy, that highlighter. You can see that. Now I didn't try and make my little baubles hanging off the tree even, because I've got a big one and a small one and a big one and a small one and a big one and a big one, so I didn't actually want them even. They've probably turned out more even than I thought they were going to. I should have made them more uneven so they looked like they were supposed to be like that, not just that I didn't quite get them even. And do I need some more blush? The usual answer is yes, so when in doubt, I'm going to say yes. So I'm going to go back into my Chi blush collection and find something nice and pink. I think I'll use this side of that pink one again. add a little bit more colour. Didn't need very much, just a little wee pop. And now I'm going to spray my face. So I'm going to use my Maybelline Make It Dewy setting spray. That's right, that's that sprayer that has a downhill tilt to it. And there is my pink and white Christmas bauble look, inspired by white and pink Christmas trees. So I hope you enjoyed that video, and I'll see you next time. Bye everyone.